Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to this video. So today I'm going to be talking about this little Physicians Formula kit. I'm going to test it all out, see if it's good or not. I got this on Amazon. So if you guys are interested in seeing about this little kit thing, let's get into the video. So the other day I was just looking on Amazon like I do, and I found this little Physicians Formula little set, and I just thought it looked really nice. It was only $15.23 and it was Prime, so I said why not. So this is the Physicians Formula Shimmer Strips Custom Eye Enhancing Kit with eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara, and this is in the shade Nude. I don't know if they had other shades when I got this, but maybe they do. But I just thought it was so pretty. I've heard really good things about their little shimmer strips. I feel like I used to have one, but I don't remember now. Like, did I? Let me go see. I think I have one. Okay, well, I definitely don't have one, but I feel like I used to, so weird. Anyways, so in this little kit, you get the eyeshadow. So in this little kit, you get this cute little Shimmer Strips eyeshadow palette that just looks really nice and pretty, just all nudes. You get 2 eyeliners. Let's see, a black and a brown? Yeah, black and a brown, and these are just like the retractable ones. And you get a double-ended mascara. Don't know what this is. Okay, so one's brown and one's black. So of course I'll just use the black. I don't think I'd ever want a brown mascara. I don't know. Not for me. But let's look at this little shimmer strips, and they have, I mean, why? Just give me a brush. No little sponge thingies, please. So they have all these cute little shades in there. They're very small, so it is going to be a little tricky going in with a brush and trying to just get that one color. But I thought we would test this out and just see what I think about it. This little kit for, I mean, that's a good price for a little eyeshadow palette, 2 eyeliners, and a mascara. But if the mascara and eyeliner are not good, then that's kind of a lot for this little palette. And I feel like they sell these separately. I'm not sure how much they are, but yeah. So let's zoom you guys in a little bit more and we'll start applying some eyeshadow. All right, so usually I like a matte eyeshadow for a transition shade, but these are all shimmer. So we're just gonna go in with one of these and see what happens. I might need to grab something else, but first let's just see. So I'm just gonna go into this little shade right here. If I can get in there. My mirror is dirty, hold on. All right, that's better. So I feel like that's not really doing anything. Let's go ahead and go in with the darker shade right here. See if this one shows up a little better. So now I'm going to go into the darker brown right here and just take that on a different brush and just go a little bit lower than the first shade. Just blend it out a little bit with the first brush. And I feel like it's such like a fine shimmer in here that it's not really looking weird. Like a lot of times when you use a shimmer as a transition shade, it just kind of doesn't look right. But I feel like this is looking pretty nice. So now I'm going to take this little one right here just on my finger and just kind of pack that on my lid. Going in with a little bit more of the darker brown. Then on a flat shader brush, can you see it? On a flat shader brush, I'm going to go into the first shade here and go under my brow bone. Taking some of that lighter shade too on the inner corner. I'm also going to take some of that darker brown and go under the lash line. I mean, I'm just not that impressed with it. I feel like it's okay, it's nice, but like it's so small, so it's really hard to get into the shade you want. And there's just not a lot of pigmentation. It's just not that creamy. I was expecting more and I don't know why, but I feel like a lot of people love these and it's just really not doing anything special. Let's go ahead and use some eyeliner. Of course, let's take the black. It does look really nice in black and not too like thick, if that makes sense. Like some formulas are just like, it just kind of rubs off way too much and it's just kind of like gets chunky and thick really easy. So this one seems really nice and like a nice matte black. So let's see how it applies. Yeah, I'm just not impressed with this one either. It's just not that dark. It's kind of hard to work with when like going on top of eyeshadow. I feel like just on my hand, it just kind of draws really nice. When it's on your eye and you're kind of going over your eyelid where you have like little fine lines and you have eyeshadow, it's just not wanting to like go on very smooth. Oh, now my eyes are watering. So I'm going to be testing out a winged eyeliner for a different video. So I'm going to go ahead and go test that out and I will be right back to try out this Physicians Formula mascara. We'll see if this is any good, see if this is worth buying this little kit. So far, I'm not impressed. All right, I am back with some big winged liner. It got a little out of hand. It's the Amazon winged liner. If you guys are interested, a eyeliner stamp pen. But now let's go ahead and test out this mascara. I'm going to do the black side, of course. First, I'm going to curl my lashes. And mascara is a hard thing. I feel like there's only a handful that I've actually liked out of all the ones that I've tried. I have very sparse lashes and they're very light and it's just a tricky... I just need like a certain formula that gives me like a little bit of length and a lot of volume, but not clumpy and just, I don't know, it's just mascara is really hard for me for some reason. So it's kind of like more that plasticky looking wand with the little spikes instead of like a normal brush. I feel like it's just dry. Like there's nothing. I don't even think you can see anything because it's like not, it's literally just painting my lashes black. Like it's not adding any kind of volume, any kind of length. There's nothing happening. What is that called? It's called Dual-Ended Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara. Oh, and it says, finish nude eye look by sweeping black mascara onto lashes. Add pewter for added glamour. So this isn't a brown mascara, it's pewter, and you're supposed to add it for added glamour. So let's try adding it. I don't see anything. Well, that's disappointing. So let me do my mascara on this side and I'll show you guys what I actually love to use and the difference. It's the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Can't get enough. This is what I use all the time. So I know that I'm getting it all over myself. I know the winged liner kind of makes it harder to see, but you can definitely see my lashes on this eye now. Like it's definitely adding volume. It's making, like, it's just, it's what I want mascara to do. So let me add some of this one to the other eye. Even her out. All right, let me zoom you guys out and we will talk about this little kit. All right, so I was hoping this was gonna be really good. Usually Physicians Formula has really nice products. I love a lot of their stuff, but I don't know what happened with this kit. I don't know if this is like a really old one and the mascara is just dried out. Like, but I'm just not impressed. The eyeshadow was the best part and you can buy those for, I want to say like $8 or $9. So if you want one of the shimmer strips, I'd say go for that. Get the color that you want. Just skip this little value kit thing because it's just not worth it. The eyeliner didn't really do enough. It just kind of was gray and hard to work with. The mascara didn't do anything. And the eyeshadow is just like, eh. I know I used to have one and I don't remember if it was this one or not, but I feel like the shadows were so much more creamy with the one I used to have. So I don't know if they changed the formula. I don't know what's going on, but this was just disappointing. I'm not happy with it. So just pass. But yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I do 3 videos a week and I'd love to have you join my little YouTube fam. Also, don't miss out on my new videos. Ring the little notification bell so you get notified when I upload, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.